Hi everybody, it's Mallory and I wanted to do another tutorial for you, and this is my 4-strand braid tutorial. And I know my hair looks kind of funny, but for the purpose of the tutorial I put my hair in 4 tiny ponytails to help you understand and keep it separated. And as I was doing this I realized that this is actually a really easy way to do these braids, not only for the sake of showing someone, but to do it as well. So if you wanted to do it this way, you can just kind of slide the ponytail out as you go. So the first 4-strand braid I'm going to do is the 4-strand flat braid. And I really like this one. It's a different look than just a regular braid, and it's actually really quite easy. What you're going to do is you're going to have your 4 sections, and it's just kind of tricky to understand how to do them. I always just sort of have 2 in one hand and 2 in the other. Your middle sections you're going to cross over one or the other. Now whichever one is on top, say like this one's now on top, I need to now cross it under the strand next to it. And then this one that I crossed over in the middle, it was on the bottom, so now I need to cross it to go over the section below that. So now I have 2 new middle pieces. Now this one, do you see how it went over the top of something? This one was under. I need to now cross those like such. And then we have the 2 sides on my left hand now. And I traded, and I just need to cross my braids in that hand. And then the ones in this hand, I need to make sure I can cross them accordingly on that hand as well. Now the ones in the middle, I cross. And then I have my outer ones. I need to make sure I can cross those. Pass that over, and then I need to cross my ones on this hand. And then the ones in the middle, I need to cross. And now we have sections separated. Now I do to keep going, cross my outside braids, and then cross my inside braids. Cross my outside braid, cross my outside braid, now cross my inside braid. I'm sorry, not my inside braid, my inside strands. You know what I mean. So as you can see, you're getting a rather large braid. I don't have any more twisties, they're all in my hair. But a rather large, flat 4-strand braid. Now here's a couple rubber bands poking out, but you get the idea. And as you go, you can kind of slide them down if you need to. But I think that it's a really pretty, different, interesting braid than the regular braid. Now, a 4-strand round rope braid, think of it like a box. So I have my 2 sides and these 2 on top. You're never going to worry about crossing these 2 or these 2 here. You're going to just worry about the top and bottom and then the left and right. So start maybe with your left and right and trade those places. Okay? Now you have your top and bottom, you need to trade those places. Now you need to trade places with your left and your right. Now you need to trade places again with your top and your bottom. Now it's left and right's turn, trade those places. Top and bottom. Left and right. See, this is when you get into layers. Top and bottom. Left and right. Top and bottom. So now, the fact that I have all these layers is a little bit of an issue because they poke out a lot. But you can see that you have a really intricate braid that just is kind of like a rope. And obviously you can see my rubber bands in there, but if you want to do it to practice, kind of slide them out as you go. But if you practice and you keep doing it and get the hang of it, you can actually do it without the rubber bands. So that is the 4-strand rope round braid. They're so easy. You just have to figure it out, I promise. Once you do, you'll really see. So just keep practicing. Just to kind of reiterate, the flat one, you're just going to trade the outside ones and then the inside ones, and the outside ones and the inside ones, and just kind of do a weaving pattern. This one, all you need to do is trade top and bottom, then left and right, top and bottom, left and right. It's really quite simple. It's just a matter of repeating yourself, and once you figure it out, you'll have no problem. So, bye! Have fun!